Meaning of flag of convenience.
Flag of convenience.
Flag of convenience.
Flag of convenience.
Flag of convenience. Flag of convenience refers to the practice of registering a ship in a country other than that of its owners, for the purpose of taking advantage of lower fees, taxes, and regulatory requirements. This allows ship owners to reduce their operating costs and increase their profits, but it also means lower safety and environmental standards, as well as possible exploitation of crew members. The term is often used in a negative context to describe the practice of exploiting flags of convenience for financial gain at the expense of ethical and moral responsibilities.